This fourth technology piece that I found was Classcraft, and it solely focuses on social and emotional learning through a type of like video game. So I kind of went back and redid it where you guys could see the actual tutorial. So this is what your teacher and I did already log in through Google, my school account, but I just wanted you to see what it would look like for you, those of you that aren't comfortable. So it says the top navigation enables you to return to your teacher dashboard or visit your activity center where you can view all your notifications or go to your library to see all your boss battles and quests. So this is walking you through all the pieces. You can click on your profile. It's very scripted. So for those of you that are in fear of messing something up, this one's not really one it's not, you can't mess it up. It
Hi,
walks
I'm
you through a
Hutch.
And I'm
tutorial video.
Kinshasa, and we're here to make you fall in love with teaching all over again. Classcraft will help you improve collaboration, communication, and academic performance. And best of all, it'll help you strengthen the connection with your students.
Yeah, Classcraft helps you motivate your students by making learning fun. Because when learning becomes an experience that both your students and you share, everyone wins. As you're getting ready for your best year ever, Classcraft is going to help you with three main things. One, you're going to develop your students' non-cognitive skills. Two, you're going to personalize your existing curriculum. And three, you're going to be able to see what's working and what's not in your classroom.
Now, Classcraft is a super powerful tool, but don't worry, you don't have to use all of its features from the start. Take your time, use what you want, and then you can save the rest for later.
I know it seems silly to have you guys watch that tutorial, but that just helped me really understand their motives behind why they created what they did. When you go in, you can see a demo class and it walks you through. There's a 5-minute tutorial video and it's just fun. I mean, you can already see um, it's very modern. It's engaging. The kids, I haven't done it yet, but I really think that the kids are going to love it. Class Dojo is good, but Class Dojo is not good for upper grade levels. They think it's too babyish. So this is set up very easily, similar to Seesaw. This is more interactive than Seesaw, though. This allows them to take some ownership in the behavior and accountability piece. So you can see down here, it works for all of the sorry, excuse me. It works for all of the different types. Like, yeah, it works for Apple and Android. Excuse me, I can't talk. um, so you can do notifications, home, but yeah, once you walk through the tutorial, it makes it pretty easy to set up. There's some webinars there if you're comfortable, if you need help. There are pieces of it that you have to buy if you go into the premium, but you can get just as much out of it without going and paying for the premium. I think you could really make a point, though, if you show this premium the features to your staff and your principals, because they would probably see, especially for upper grade levels, how beneficial it is. So there's Classcraft. And yes, I would walk the students through the tutorials together at first, once they're set up and logged in. Sorry.